Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss another simple LeetCode problem. Find all duplicates in an array. You will be given an integer array of length n which is filled with numbers in the range of 1 to n. Each integer in this array appears either once or twice, not more than that. If any number appears twice means it's a duplicate number. We should identify and return all the duplicate numbers. Let's take this example array. This array is filled with numbers in the range of 1 to 8. Its length is 8. Here 2 appears twice, 3 appears twice, rest all numbers are appearing only once. So 2 and 3 are duplicates in this array. We should return 2 and 3 as a result. Return empty array if there are no duplicates found in this input array. The expectation is the solution must be of order of n time complexity and use extra constant space. Let's discuss the logic now. Assume that this is our input array. The simplest way to solve this problem is by using hash set. We will iterate over this array and add elements one by one into hash set. Let's say that this is our hash set and we will add elements one by one like 4, 3, 2, 7, 8. We will also check does the element exist in the hash set before adding it. For example, 2 is the current number in the iteration. So we will check does 2 exist in the hash set or not before adding into it. So we can notice that 2 is already exists. Since 2 already exists in the hash set, it is a duplicate number. Let's track it separately. Similarly, in the next iteration, the current element is 3. We will check does it exist in the hash set or not. It is already exists. So this is also a duplicate number. So this is how we will find duplicate numbers and simply return it back. The time complexity is order of n. The space complexity is order of n. But the expectation is constant space complexity, order of 1, not order of n. In another approach, we can compare neighbor elements by sorting the array. Unfortunately, sorting itself takes time complexity of n log n times. So this is not the expected solution. Let's discuss another solution. If you revisit the problem statement again, the array is filled between 1 to n numbers only. In this case, it is 1 to 8 only. In ideal case, if there are no duplicates, then the array is filled with all numbers between 1 to n, 1 to 8 in this case. Every number appears only once. No number must be less than 1 or no number must be greater than n. We can consider each element in this array as an index in the same array. This array is filled with numbers between 1 to 8. This array index is 0 to 7. If you decrement each element by 1 here, it matches with array index range here. We will use this property to identify duplicate numbers. We are going to use array elements as index positions in our logic. As a first step, we will iterate over the array. Let's start iterations. In the first iteration, we will be here. 4 is the current element. Let's calculate index. 4 minus 1, which is 3. Now, look at the value. Look at the element at index 3. This is index 3. 7 is the element in index 3. Since we have already visited the value here, let's make it negative. So we will make it minus 7. Let's move to next iteration. We are here. 3 is the current element. 3 minus 1, which is 2. 2 is the index we should visit. 2 is the element in index 2. Since we have visited this element now, let's make it negative. We will move to next iteration. We will be here. 2 is the element. While calculating indexes, we will consider absolute numbers only. I mean positive numbers. So 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 is the index we should visit. So 3 is the element in index 1. Let's mark it negative. We will move to next iteration. 7 is the element. 7 minus 1, which is 6. At 6, element is 3. Let's make it negative. We will move to next iteration. The current element is 8. 8 minus 1, which is 7. At index 7, the number is 1. Let's make it negative. We will move to next iteration. 2 is the element. 2 minus 1, which is 1. Index 1 has a negative number, which means we have already visited this number. So 2 is a duplicate number. Let's track it aside. We will move to next iteration. 3 is the current number. 3 minus 1, which is 2. Again, index 2 has a negative number. So 3 also a duplicate number. We have already visited this number, that's why it is marked as a negative. We will move to next iteration. 1 is the number. 1 minus 1, which is 0. We need to visit index 0. Let's mark it negative here. We are done with all iterations and we found all duplicates. 2 and 3 are duplicates here. Simply return it back. So the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is constant, order of 1. Hope the logic is clear. Let's write code now. I have already copied method signature from LeetCode as it is. Let's declare a list to capture duplicate numbers. We will iterate through the input array to identify duplicate numbers. We will use for loop. Now consider that the current element as an index as discussed. We will consider only positive value of it and decrement by 1 to match with the array index. We will use math.abs function. If the index value is a negative number, then it is a duplicate number. Just add the element into the result list. If not, then multiply the index value by -1. I mean, make the element into negative number. We are done with all iterations and identified all duplicate numbers. Let's return the result. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already written main method to save some time. We are calling find duplicate function with couple of input arrays. Let's run. Here is the output, which is as expected. So this is about how to find duplicates in an array. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.